Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, I'm back with another video, all right? And I just want to let y'all know, disclaimer, I am in New York, but I'm in not one of those luxurious type of apartments. Like, my apartment is not old and raggedy, but it does what it needs to do. Okay, baby? So, with that being said, I don't have central air. I have a in-wall, not even air conditioner because I had to buy this. This does not come with the apartment. So today I'm here to tell you my first impressions and a quick review of the TCL through-the-wall air conditioner with Wi-Fi and remote. Yes, it had to have remote for me. So I just want to start off a little story time. I'm gonna get straight to the point. I bought the wrong AC the first time. I bought the wrong AC, but thank God before I installed it, my super told me that I bought the wrong AC, so I ain't have to come upstairs, put it in the wall. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this thing right here is so heavy. No, like, I need y'all to understand. If you are a woman, maybe a man could lift this by themselves, but if you are a woman, please do not try to lift this AC by yourself. Please don't. It is heavy. I don't know what is it about, because I didn't lift ACs by myself, but this through the wall unit thing, like, I don't know. But yes, so I bought this. This covers 550 square feet. It is a 12,000 BTU, right? But it's a smart AC because it has the Wi-Fi controls and I can control it through the app, which I'm going to show you guys. Don't worry, we're going to get all right into it. But first I have to, give you guys a breakdown. So yes, like I said, it's through the wall. So you cannot put this in the window. First of all, it's going to break your window. That's how heavy it is. You cannot put this through the window. This is made only if you have this cutout unit in your apartment. I've never seen a through the wall AC in a house, but hey, I could be wrong. I haven't traveled the whole entire world, so maybe somewhere out there. But yes, it's through the wall, 12,000 BTU, which they said I really didn't have to get the 12,000 BTU. I could have actually probably got like a 10 and would have been fine. But the price difference wasn't crazy. I got this from Best Buy. If you guys don't know, if you're new here to my channel, I'm a Total Tech member and I'm obsessed with Best Buy's Total Tech. And part of the Total Tech membership is everything that I buy comes with 2-year warranty for free. Yes, I pay $200 a year, but everything that I buy comes with a 2-year warranty for free. Where are you getting that at? Like, and I'm not sponsored. Best Buy needs to sponsor me. So Best Buy, if you're watching this video, hey, I would love to work with you guys, But I'm just a small content creator that just likes putting people on for now. Anyway, so I got the 550 square feet because the price for this was $559. Yes, this thing is expensive, baby. A lot of people was telling me that I should have went with PC Richards, which they have deals and stuff, which I looked into. They deals were better, but I would have had to pay for the warranty separately, and that was like $80 to $100. And I just was like, I'll just stick with Best Buy because Best Buy always treat me good, and I really don't have complaints with them. So sometimes it's just better to stick with what you know versus getting a better deal. But if you're looking for a better deal, I would recommend PC Richards, right? And just for curiosity, if anybody was curious, the 450, which is the 10,000 BTU, was $530. So it's not really a big difference between the 10,000 BTU and the 12,000 BTU. So I just got the 12. And that's the maximum that my apartment can have is 12,000. I believe after 12,000, it becomes a different type of outlet, something completely different. So just keep that in mind. After 12,000, you're running into a different outlet, okay? So let me show you guys this baby. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. I am Stacey P. I review things like household, kitchen hacks, products, things like that. So if you're interested in any of that type of stuff, please feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions, just comment down below and ask me. Okay, so I had to download the TLC app, yada, 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 right? So this is the app, and right now it's showing that it's off, which you can see that it's off, right? Okay, turn on. We're going to turn it on right here, right? We're going to click turn on. And it turns on. And now it's blowing cold air in my face, and it's probably going to get noisy. But hopefully my microphone is working, okay? So it's telling me the temperature that it's at, so I can make it cool, dry, or just put the fan in. I can change the temperature between 61 and 88. And this is showing the fan speed. And then it has 1, 2, or 3, which right now it's on 1. Oh, I accidentally put it on eco mode, but that's fine because it can finally shut up. So yeah, eco mode, it has sleep, it has a timer. You could create like a time that you want your AC to start. Listen, this is why because the first AC that I bought that was wrong, the GE, it had this feature, and I was so excited for this feature that when I found out I bought the wrong AC, I was like, all right, well, the next one has to have this feature, and it's just amazing. Because I don't have to just be in the house to use this app. I can use this app anywhere. So when it's a hot day and I'm on my way home, yeah, baby, I can cut this right on, okay? So this is the app. How I had to do it, woo child. It was annoying. So I have Verizon, and apparently Verizon, for me, has 2 different types of Wi-Fi's. Yes, when a guy told me this on the phone, I was like, what the hell? So I have like a high-speed Wi-Fi, which is like the 5G that comes up on my thing. And then I have just like the regular, which is like the lower one. And he was like, that's what you want to use for like if you have cameras in the house, things like that. But you don't want to use it for like your phones, your laptops, and things like that, right? So I was trying to hook it up to my 5G high Wi-Fi, and it was not working. That's because it doesn't need that. It needed the low Wi-Fi. I know y'all probably like, what in the world? This is what they told me, and it does work. So I'm just passing on knowledge, okay? Listen, call if you can't get this connected, because all I did was press the display button on the remote controller 6 times, and then the app told me what to do. It just wasn't doing it. And it was because of the Wi-Fi that I was trying to hook it up on. So if you're having trouble, it might be because you're trying to hook it up on some high-speed Wi-Fi and it does not take that. So just a little keynote, you know what I'm saying? I like to pass knowledge around here, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's get into these buttons, baby. Okay, so we have the high, medium, low, auto. Wi-Fi show me that the Wi-Fi. Cool, dry, fan, auto mode. This is the fan speed. This is going to come on if I need the filter change. Sleep, mode, timer, power, up, down, round and round, round and round. And that's it. That is it. And then this is where the filter is. I don't be wanting to post up because I be scared because, listen, you know what, y'all? We just going to leave that like that because I just don't, I just don't trust it. I don't trust it, baby. So this is the remote. Don't mind my little ghetto-ness with the can holding my curtain. Listen, y'all, you gotta make it work, okay? Hacks or ideas to like get my curtain from going over the AC. I'm more than open ears, you know. I'm annoyed by it actually, but anyway, it is what it is. This is the remote. Like I said, eco mode, up, down, right around, right around. The timer, display, fan, sleep, auto mode, and fan only. So like with the display is I could just make it go away, but it's still on. But if you like, if the lights like bother you, then you can have it go away or whatever. But that's really just what it is. It's still on. It's still on, which is why you have the power button right here and the cool mode right here. But right now it's on eco mode, so it thinks it's trying to save me energy, but low key, this thing about to get cut off because it's like 60 something degrees and I do not need the AC today. But anyway, y'all, yeah, so this is the little remote, 12,000 BTU. It has the Wi-Fi. It I haven't looked into how much the filters is for this. I should look that up, but honestly, I had no choice. This was the only one that I could find through the wall that had the Wi-Fi access for Best Buy. Remember, Best Buy, not PC Richards. PC Richards may have more options, but this is what I had to deal with. So yeah, anyway, this was a quick review. I hope I got straight to the point. If you have any questions, comment below. Let me know. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I like putting people on, and I like reviewing things that I feel like you need. Like, because if I need it, you need it. We all need ACs, especially in this heat. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.